What's up, guys? It's Tech here, and I wanted to make a quick review of Bridger, which is an all-in-one multi-channel marketing platform. Uh, it's probably the best out there right now because it has such a wonderful combination of marketing tools that, you know, if you were to buy any other one, you would have to probably piece together um, multiple platforms to get what you can get in one space with Bridger. So let's start off by going to the dashboard. All right, very basic dashboard. Keep track of the multimedia posts. All right, CTA posts, carousel slider posts. Obviously, carousel slider posts are for multiple pictures, multimedia pictures, posting on Facebook, videos posting on Facebook or Pinterest. So it keeps track of all of that. Okay, they have auto reply for different platforms. Facebook, somebody writes a comment, you automatically reply, you automatically shoot them a message in Facebook Messenger. Has the campaigns, keeps track of the completed campaigns, upcoming campaigns, so that you're always able to follow along with what's going on. All right, then you have the import account, which is to import your Facebook accounts so you can connect directly to your business pages and your personal pages. All right, some people like to use their personal page if they're more selling their personality and their lifestyle. Other people have businesses, so they want to connect directly to the business, provide better customer service, and that's how you can do that as a Bridger subscriber. All right, so here's the subscription manager, and it keeps track of all the subscribers that you would get from Facebook. All right, so one of the big pluses about this is that subscribing or getting subscribers through Facebook Messenger is such a cheat code. Once a person follows or likes your Facebook business page, or you friend them on your personal page, you can get thousands and thousands of people to subscribe via email, via SMS, using Facebook Messenger. It's a much more efficient way to grab a hold of new email addresses and phone numbers. Okay, and so you can categorize them through labels and tags, sync, and SMS is by far the most efficient way to actually contact subscribers. When you send people emails, it's highly unlikely that they're going to actually see it. Most people sign up to millions of promos, where they like to shop at, where they frequently visit, where they try to win something, so they give their email address out. So their inboxes are inundated with spam emails. So they get home from, they go to work, and you send out an email at 3 o'clock, and this person gets home from work at 7 o'clock. So you have this 4-hour window of spam emails that are going to drown out your marketing email, and they'll never see it. Whereas with SMS, people are constantly checking their phones, constantly on their phones, and the likelihood of them seeing it and even responding to it is dramatically higher. Okay, so that's one of the big advantages here. You have SMS marketing available. Okay, so here you have the messenger bot. You have an email autoresponder available with this. Okay, massive plus. All right, you can set up your bot settings, which is important because depending on which API you use, if you're connecting to Facebook, you're connected to Telegram, the APIs are different. Some allow you to be more frequent, others restrict the amount of pings you can send. So it's important to modify them to the API you're using. Alright, so you have templates, whitelisted domains. This is very important because you don't want to put anybody at risk for being having their identity compromised or anything like that, so that's important. Okay, and here you have the broadcasting, SMS broadcasting, Facebook broadcasting, email broadcasting. Alright, you set up all your particulars here. Alright, you set up specific SMS. Alright, and here's all the SMS API settings for depending on which SMS provider you use. One-time notification, follow-up message broadcasting, and all the emails. Alright, whether you use SMTP, Mailgun, SendGrid, MailChimp, so on and so forth. You have dozens of email templates, and here's the email campaign tab. Alright, and here's the e-commerce store setting. Alright, so you can, from Facebook, you can set up a full e-commerce store complete with marketing right from Bridger. Alright, so this makes it super easy to set up a small business. If you don't have enough money to buy a Shopify account, you don't have enough capital to get a fully fleshed out e-commerce website, you start right here. This is where you can start. And then here we have social posting. Okay. Multimedia post, text, link, image, video, call to action, campaign list, and then Instagram posts, and then Instagram posting. Here's how you create your exact post you want. So this is a full-fledged, all-in-one, everything in one place for one price. And they have training available, they have support, and then you also have upgrades, which I'll show you now. Alright, so you have upgrade 1, which is unlimited. This is everything. Okay, so you can have them set up everything if you want to. Alright, automation. This is so they set up automation. DFY setup. Agency. Okay, so if you're doing this for multiple Facebook business pages, you need this upgrade. Alright, so if you're setting up, if you're a social media manager, something like that, you need all the availability of different pages. You have to get agency. And then you have reseller. The reseller upgrade that allows you, as basically white labels Bridger. You can change it to whatever you want, and then you can sell it under your own label. Unlimited traffic, golden membership, and profit maximizer. Alright, now not all these upgrades are actually worth it, depending on what you need. If you're a social media manager, agency, reseller, upgrades are definitely worth it for you. Okay, if you're on your own, the automation, DFY, unlimited traffic, and profit maximizer are going to be worth your time. So depending on what you're doing, that's how you want to look at which upgrade to get. But all in all, guys, if you're running a business right now, if you're a social media manager, if you have your own small business, you want to get Bridger immediately. No question about it. It's well worth it. And I think you guys will like it very much. It will be very effective, and you'll see the results within a month. There's no doubt about it. It'll make everything so much easier. It's the summertime now. Things are opening up again. So You want to have things on autopilot. You don't want to have to pay attention to every single minute detail of your business, and this will help you do that. This will help you gain more traffic, gain more subscribers, provide better customer service, all while you could be relaxing with your family and enjoying the summer. So the link is going to be down below. Check it out, guys, and until next time, I'm out.